We just follow like you as usual.
So if you're in a relationship and your partner gives
in a
you,
relationship, I'm your partner. The
partner
mosquito was
gives
going to
you,
bite you.
gives you a percentage, all right, that went. If you're in a relationship and your partner gives you a percentage of his or her salary every month just to spend on you, is it a spouse bonus or gold digging? Let's chat.
A spouse bonus?
I wonder what him spouse bonus.
Apparently this is a thing in foreign.
Oh, it's a HuffPost. What is they had something called a wife bonus, which is cashed by Manhattan's Upper East Side women. Wife paying strategies with their own vocabulary, including allowance, pin money, egg money.
Spending money, pocket money, or door.
Yeah. I've seen things now on TV where women say they have a baby and it's a baby, like the husband gives them something for having the baby. And them get a gift for having the baby and all kind of different things.
Oh, I don't know.
I mean, relationships are not as black and white, you know.
And this is a regular thing on Manhattan's Upper East Side.
It's a regular thing in a Manhattan Lower Side. It's a regular thing in Jamaica. It's a regular, I mean, I don't know. Why is it a bonus? Why is it a spouse bonus? If I'm married to somebody and we live in the same house, why we can't share money? If he make more money than me, why can't give me some of my money?
Is she working, or is this her is this her job? Is he working, or is this his job? In other words...
So as Jamaica people, you're mining?
Yeah.
As Jamaica people,
are you mining him,
or is
she mining you? I think that's when we get into that's more than a bonus. That is an actual salary. And gold digging.
I hope if you're mining him that there is a performance management appraisal system.
But gold digging also has a different connotation.
Then when you go working, you have a performance management appraisal system.
We do.
And you have an evaluation. So if you're going to mine somebody, I hope there is a performance management appraisal.
So you would have to sit down before and say, these are your objectives.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes.
You're expected to do 1 by X, or it's a year-long objective.
Yes.
2 by X, year-long objective. 3 by X and 4 by X. Yes. If you get all 4, your bonus is lovely.
Yes.
If you get 3 out of 4, then it's a reduced bonus. 2 out of 4, you're in a bad place. And if it's 1 out of 4, you have failed. And you don't get no bonus. That is your performance.
Why what? I didn't put a gender on the performance. On who you give the appraisal form. Men can give it to women, women can give it to... I think that's why some of these relationships don't work.
Because they're no...
Because I say, look how me give her me money, and that she do me. Make sure you clarify what the relationship is about. So don't buy a woman a car and then you call and say, me need a lift, and she say, no, take a taxi. And you say, and my car, clarify.
If your spouse
I'm
bonus...
buying your car, and if I need a lift, you should be available to carry me.
If your spouse bonus is good, you won't have to ask him, because then you can go and buy it with your bonus.
At what point do you say no to spouse bonuses? I think you say no when you realize that you're being used. How do you realize
no to receiving or no to giving?
No to giving. How do you know you're being used? Well, girl, if he don't ring your phone till the 24th of the month, that's a hint. If after the 26th you don't hear from him, that's a hint.
But you can also say no to receiving, can't you? I mean,
Say
if you're in
no
a
to
relationship
receiving.
and you realize that the relationship is going to pot, you really ought not to be taking some
Or don't
money.
take it. If that's why I like understandings. If there is an expectation when you receive people money and you do not plan to live up to the expectation, don't take people money. Don't take people money.
Yes, but that's where gold digging comes in, because gold digger is different from spouse bonus, because if you're gold digging, it means you have a a particular goal. If you're a gold digger, you're not really in it for nothing but the money. You don't want nothing more than where you can get materially out of it. So that's different from a spouse bonus where you might think you're due something because you're with somebody
spouse, it can be
genuinely.
A bonus. With a spouse, is your husband. If he want to give money, him give money. Is your husband, if you want to give money, you give money. Once your husband and wife, I don't get involved in what husband and wife want to do for
That's
each
their
other.
business. Their business.
Yeah,
just playing by their rules.
It means you're one, y'all work it out. But gold digger now, if I collect spending money from my spouse, no, you're not a gold digger.
No, that's not gold digging. Gold digging is when you, if you drop down tomorrow, you're doing business, you just wanted the new pair of Louis Vuittons.
If you're working to be a widow instead of a wife.
Yeah, no.
That's a gold digger.
Yeah, I'm looking at the pictures that our producer is putting up, and I notice it's usually the women who are holding the money or the man holding out his pockets dry.
Some man out there dig not even the
Thank
gold
you, Delia
platinum
Harris.
too.
Thank you very much.
Some man out there dig platinum. Hello, no, take it down. Some man out there digging platinum.
There are some women who are mining.
Yes.
Mining. What you say,
why you can't so lucky, Aubrey? Because
Lord.
you're already lucky with the wife you have.
Yeah.
That's
you need
why.
To be
you already got your bonus, Aubrey.
So this is a thing. This is a thing wherever in the world you are.
Yeah.
As Delia say, if you work out your own rules, then
look here. And if it's
it be what it be.
If it's a spouse, and I mean, what's the bonus for? You're gonna take the bonus. What are you gonna take the bonus and do? Buy food in the house, buy decor for the house.
Buy yourself something nice.
Treat
yourself to a spa day or 10.
You're probably gonna benefit from it anyway. You know what I mean?
Because if your wife's happy, you're happy, and if your husband's happy, you're happy.
Soldier says a bribe.
Not a bribe, but if you give her money, or she give you money.
Soldier, if you have a wife, you should take care of her. If you don't take care of her, somebody else
What are you
might.
bribing her to do, Soldier? What are you bribing her to do? And if you have to
keep
bribe her
saying
to do anything, then that's
Soldier
a real
has had an
problem.
unfortunate experience. Him just step on bribe, a bribe.
I don't know.
A bribe. I don't know with my bribe.
But it does come back around there. Like if you give her her money and she go and do a nice massage, she feels happy. She's gonna be, even better to you.
Happy wife, happy life.
Correcto mundo. Ding ding ding.
Happy wife, happy life.
Ding ding ding. Happy spouse. He won't be a louse. I don't know. I just made that one up. Yeah.
But yeah.
I don't know what else we can.
But some people don't mind being dug for gold though. They see the shovel coming.
You watch TV. There's a show on E called
it's okay.
Watched.
Yes.
One lady went in and she said she's a sugar baby.
Okay.
And a sugar baby is just with many different men to be kept. And that sugar babiness gave her triple D's, pow.
Yes.
And she just
there
keep
are women
taking
who
the money.
say they're sugar mamas.
And the men
say they're with men who they support. And there are men who say they're sugar daddies and they don't mind supporting women.
But that sugar baby.
My problem is, if you don't mind, it's your money. Don't problem. But don't make it out to be more than it really is. And then don't go chat people. Like you see the woman that come with the shovel in her hand, so she a dig, and you hold up the goal and you say, come darling. And then when you work out, you say, she wicked, she used me, and she a thief.
You knew.
Do not.
You knew what it was about.
Do not, sir.
Don't be hating.
You saw the shovel coming towards you and you were okay. Women too. That boy they a thief, or that boy they wicked, you saw him coming. In the where the big tractor name where they dig up
that
the ground.
One. Caterpillar.
Backhoe. You see him come with the backhoe.
Front hoe,
and
side
you take out your things them so when him ride off in the backhoe, nobody gonna tell people same wicked. Good.
We'll be right back. That's it for Girl Talk this week.
That was such a nice analogy. He might come with the backhoe.